You build strong communication skills through reading and getting information. Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Communication skills is a vast topic, so it needs a lot of time to discuss and talk about communication skills. However, in this short video, I am going to give you the gist, the essence of communication skills in this short video. So let's start. As I earlier said in my first sentence, you build strong communication skills through reading and getting information. Therefore, first, it is highly suggested that you do research on the specific topic or idea that you are preparing to communicate clearly and effectively. The next step is to describe all that information in your writing. Now here, writing means any kind of preparation that you do before presentation, that you may be drawing some maps, preparing some notes, and drawing some kind of diagram for your speech, for your presentation. So any kind of preparation, writing. So first you do it before your public speaking or presentation preparation. This preparation helps you to articulate the idea in the correct order. The final task is rehearsal, which surely plays an important role in enhancing demonstration and communication skills as a whole, because practice makes your public speaking, your general communication skills, or any kind of presentation or business presentation, so it makes your presentation lively. I hope this short video is going to help you in your communication skills. See you next time.